Good morning. Today is the 3-year anniversary of RapidFlow, and to celebrate, we're going to be open sourcing the RapidFlow template. This was always meant as a tool to support musicians and their creativity, and now that our company has grown to a certain size, we're really happy to make this open source and available for anyone to download for free. So you can just head on over to rapidflow.shop and grab it. And I wanted to take the opportunity or the chance in this video to say thank you, and to just really say a heartfelt I appreciate you for believing in us, for supporting our company, for using our product, for the feedback you share in emails and on our social media and on our YouTube videos. And I would love to hear more about your experience making music, what RapidFlow has or hasn't done for you, anything we can get better on. Feel free to leave comments below this video. And I also wanted to take the time to give a huge shout out to my wife, who is essential in how all of this came about, supporting me and my family in times where I've just been insanely busy building things. And also the team at RapidFlow that I'm sure you will have seen their beautiful work now, the newsletters Masha sends on the weekends, or the beautiful videos Omid, our film director, makes, the way we now do our whole visuals and the adverts and everything. There's a lot of people with me now in this team that are bringing their creativity and heart and joy to this project. So it just feels so beautiful to be on this journey of creating something that I love and that we love, and sharing that with others. And I also wanted to offer you the invitation that if this is something that inspires you and you could imagine doing something like this yourself, I'm really happy to share my knowledge and coach you, and just reach out to me because I would love to enable you to also either build up a side hustle or maybe even go full-time on something like this. And I'm not going to lie to you, it's tough sometimes. I mean, I've spent some months where it was kind of sleepless nights when things weren't going well because I'd taken poor business decisions or poor partnerships. But overall, it's just so worth it, being able to live in some place that's more affordable than Northern Europe, that has better climate, and be able to earn a living from a laptop anywhere. It's the biggest gift. So if you're feeling bogged down with the work you're doing now, I truly believe every one of us has some unique inspired creativity or take on the world, or knowledge, workflows that they can share to enrich other people's lives. So if that calls you, yes, reach out to me. This is not like a paid offer. I'm just happy to help. So yeah, let me know, and I'm very happy to jump on a call with you and just share what I know and answer your questions. I wanted to announce also that ZENSPHERE is almost done. I got the first working alpha version yesterday. Believe it or not, we're in version 21. We spent quite a lot of time getting the final details right, but it's almost done. I think we're going to be out with it in about 2 weeks. And I can't wait to share it with you. It sounds so cool and it's so easy to use. It's just such a joy. So look out for that. We're also going to be launching a new website soon. At the time we launched ZENSPHERE, which our art director Tony has been designing with our programmer Sunil, and I'm so happy for it. It looks so different to what we have now, much more aligned with our values, and that what we're aiming for is to remove the friction and the superfluous from creativity, so that you can really just focus and connect and tune in to what it is you want to express. And the new website's going to be a reflection of that. It's going to be much cleaner, much more minimal, much more to the point. So yeah, I can't wait to share that with you. It's something other that we've also been working on. And then the last bit of news that I wanted to share with you is that we're going to be launching a learning knowledge sharing trajectory with RapidFlow this winter, where you're going to be able to learn about mixing and production workflows from me, mastering from Daniel, our sound engineer, but also video and lights from Omid, our film director. If you're interested in that, running ads to promote your music project or creativity project, embodied creativity with Masha, and Tawan, who is also one of my co-founders, is someone that's also going to be helping with self-development, expression topics, but of course also technical topics, because he's gotten really good at all the rapid flow stuff as well. So yeah, that's going to be happening this winter. It's going to be a 3-month course that you can extend to another 3 months if you want to go more in depth. And we're going to be sharing more about that also in the coming weeks. So there's a lot of developments and a lot of things that are underway. And yeah, just now looking back on these 3 years from seeing the first video I uploaded to YouTube with the rapid flow template, and you know, just sort of the rawness, the unedited video where it's just me chatting about this, and I don't think I made a single cut in that video. I always want this company to feel real and not like it's just a cash grab business or something or other to maximize profits and whatever. Like, really, rapid flow is about enabling your creativity and bringing more beauty and more connected energy and more flow into the world, because I really feel that's what's needed. We're bombarded and overwhelmed with so much stuff that puts us out of our center. And I think as musicians, you know that, or creators, that when you're creating, it's the fastest way to reconnect back to your center. It's like a meditation, really, being creative and making music. So we live to support that. And I would also recommend that if you are planning to start a business, that it is a topic that is so close to your heart and that you love so much, that when you share about it, it's not actually about a financial aspect, but it's about something you love and you want to share with other people, which is actually the biggest freedom and life-transforming situation or life-transforming development of building rapid flow and being part of the rapid flow team. Is that, challenging as it may be at times, it's such a freedom to work on something you love. And I hope that comes across in what we do and what you see from us on social media, and of course in our products and sounds and synthesizers and everything that's out there from us. So that's it for me today. Thank you again for your support, for believing in what we do. And I will see you on the next video. And I wish you a creative weekend in the studio. Take care. Bye-bye.